They can't see me, but they never overlook me. And my angels to the right, they out of sight. It's spiritual warfare, so they battle in flight. And they ask me if I still got beef. I used to carry Angus collar on my shoulders that only a safari carnivore would eat. Yeah, I used to ride for the dark side. Experience atrocities. Cast iron stomach with a wicked appetite. The ordained priest had to dunk me 3 times in holy water just to forge me right. And the psychologist asked me, am I all right? Haters ain't sleeping on me, and I've been up all night praying for lost souls. Suicide risk rags. I won't touch my veins. My mind got so sharp when I crossed over, I cut my chains. Freedom with no bondage. My enemies defeated. I don't bask in the omnia. No standing ovation because the king is still seated. And they say signs and symbols for the conscious mind. How you free and liberated with a convict's mind? Selling all that dope in your music line. Tony Montana, the world is mine. You may have made it, but the rest of the world is trying to withstand the fiery darts of the wicked. You're going to die on your feet while we live on our knees and still struggle to kick it. Keep it real, 100.